Remove plaque naturally without a dentist. If you're tired of going to the dentist every month to remove the gunk behind your teeth, here are some of the best home remedies you need to take a look at today. According to experts, it is said that even if you take good care of your teeth, you will still have bacteria thriving in your mouth. The bacteria mixes with proteins and food byproducts to form a sticky film called dental plaque. This nasty-looking plaque gets stuck to the teeth and is difficult to clean with a toothbrush, especially when the plaque settles behind the teeth. Avoiding to dentists, if you fail to remove the plaque, it will only cause a ton of oral problems, like inflamed and infected gums, due to the presence of bacteria every time you eat, since the bacteria acids mixes with your food, thus leading to the damage of tooth enamel and cavities. So here are some of the most simple ways to remove plaque naturally without a dentist visit. Take a look. Cloves do wonders. Crush 3 to 4 cloves. Add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice to the powder and mix it well. Now apply the paste over your teeth and brush it with a toothbrush. The paste will help remove the tartar naturally. Strawberries. Remove plaque. Strawberries are the best natural ingredient you can use to clean your teeth naturally. All you need to do is massage your gums and teeth with a fresh cut strawberry. Don't forget to gargle with warm water after. The power of pomegranate. Flowers are crushed to powder. A pinch of black salt is added to the powder along with a drop or 2 of water. Using this paste, brush your teeth twice in the day. This will help to remove plaque naturally without a dentist help. Baking soda is the best. Baking soda is one of the oldest kitchen ingredients used to get rid of plaque. All you need to do is massage your teeth with the soda, leave your mouth open for 2 minutes and then brush your teeth with a toothbrush. In no time, you will see the tartar removed. Walnuts. Make a paste out of walnuts. Rub the paste over your unhealthy tartar teeth and gums too. Now brush your teeth for 2 minutes to remove the plaque naturally at home. Eat an apple. A day keeps the doctor away. This is one thing you should always follow to stay healthy. Biting into an apple helps to remove the tartar naturally. On the other hand, it helps to strengthen your gums and prevent bleeding gums. Orange peel away. Orange peel, when made into a powder, should be mixed with a teaspoon of lemon juice and then massaged or brushed into the teeth to remove plaque naturally. Follow this process twice in the week.